Hi guys, this is take three because I forgot to turn the camera on when I did it earlier. So yeah, we are done with the book shopping and now we are here for dinner. And I'm sorry about the lighting and the music. The place has it. So, but I really can't wait to show the books. So I'll quickly get to it. So the first thing that was purchased is Reckless and Parless. Sorry, Fearless. Parless is book one from the series. These are book two and three. So planning to finish the trilogy with this books. But even before that, I still haven't started that. So even before that, I bought this one, The Fourth Wing. This is book one from the series, and this is the book that my friend just couldn't stop recommending it to me. It's a fantasy romance genre, and I heard that this book is actually really good. I started with the genre with a book called Quicksilver. Now the book has even now the series has the second book that's recently released, but I sadly couldn't find it in the market today. But I really do want to read that book because I'm now in the flow with that story. So most probably maybe I'll just try and download the ebook version, online version, and read it on my iPad. Hopefully. And apart from that, if that's not happening, maybe I'll start with this because this is something similar of the similar genre. And apparently, my friend says I will love this book, so let me find out if I really love it. And maybe I'll just go back home and try to figure out if I should start book two from the Quicksilver series or this one. This has around three books, if I'm not wrong. So yeah. Do you love the smell of books? I mean, the smell of new books or any books, it's just so addictive. Lovely. So, yeah, we gotta finish our dinner and head back home. Hi guys, it is this is what I've been eating. I also had some very nice sushi and this drink. Okay. Yeah, so it is Saturday today, 1 week since I got the books. So I have to give you guys an update. So I haven't started any of the books that I bought, but like I said, since I've read Quicksilver, which is part one of the series, I am now currently reading Brimstone, which is part 2 of the series. I'm half done, or like 60% done with the book in a week. I always plan to take it slow, but I never end up doing. I never end up doing it. I'm in a cafe. I've come to help a friend do her workshop. So yeah, I also attended my French class from there. Took my notes. I have my exam next week. Sorry about the sound. I forgot to carry my mic, so I'm not even sure if you guys are able to hear me, but try. So yeah, I'm done halfway through the book, and it's really good. But I want to save the review for the next video until I actually finish reading the entire book, so that I can give you the review of both the books together in total, like breakthrough of everything from start to end. So yeah, this is what is happening, and now after we are done with our lunch here, maybe we'll just take a small walk and then go back home, head home, and get ready for my exam and Viva, which is tomorrow. I'm also traveling to Bangalore for more exhibitions of my brand Rongers Matcha Bar. So yeah, I'll take you through that as well. So see you again.